Hello everyone, it's Chef Stas from Ask Chef channel. I'm sure you saw my blondie recipe. If not, you can check the link above. And today we're cooking brownie. Aromatic, tender, chocolatey, still moist inside. You want it? Let's go and start cooking. First, we need to prepare a water bath. Pour some water into a saucepan and put a bowl on top so that the bottom of the bowl doesn't touch the water. Set it on low heat and put butter, cut into cubes, and dark chocolate broken into smaller shards. Melt the butter and chocolate. Make sure that the mixture doesn't heat up above 43 degrees Celsius. Separately in a bowl, combine brown sugar and 4 eggs. Beat with a whisk until the mass becomes pale and increases in volume. Add vanilla essence there. Combine the egg and chocolate mixtures part by part. Stir, then add flour and baking powder. Mix gently. Chop the walnuts and add to the dough. Line the mold with baking paper. Spread the dough evenly. Bake brownie in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. The exact time will depend on your oven. I love when the brownie stays moist inside like a fudge or a toffee. If you like well baked, keep it in the oven longer, but I pity you. Once baked, let it cool to room temperature, cut into portions. Such a beauty and deliciousness. Serve chocolate brownie with strawberries and mint jelly. Enjoy your meal. Give video a like if you enjoyed the recipe, subscribe as well. Until next time, bye bye.